Hey, what is up, guys? Alex here from Tech Inspected, coming to you with an unusual product to unbox. This is a PeakDo HDMI to USB-C adapter. This is priced at maybe, well, I got it for 1,000 Philippine pesos, which converts to maybe 16 US dollars from Shopee. I'll give a link in the description. If you are in the Philippines, you can buy from Shopee, although there's only one stock left. This is an unusual product. This is a niche product. It creates a USB-C display display port alt mode. So from HDMI. So basically, what this does is converts HDMI to USB-C with video. HDMI, video in, USB-C with video. Now, what is USB-C with video? I know this is kind of like some people don't need this information. Certain devices like this is my Xreal Airs or my Nreal Airs. This is still the OG Nreal Air right there. This takes a HDMI, a Type-C cable with display port alt mode on the cable. So most devices like this is my Fold 3, right? This has display port. So if I plug, I know this is gonna increase the length of this video, but bear with me. I want to show you what it does. So when you plug that in, you can see that now there's something showing on my Nreal or Xreal. Hopefully you can see it. There. You can see the purple stuff. There. Well, I'm just not going to focus on it, but it's mirroring my phone screen. So, long story short, there are devices like, for example, this laptop, which is a budget laptop, only has HDMI right here. And if you want to output this video to these glasses, for example, there is no easy way to convert HDMI to Type-C with display, except for if you buy one of these PeakDo HDMI to USB-C adapter. So let's open this up. This is kind of a super niche product. Certain game consoles or like Steam Deck or ROG Ally already has this display port alt mode because they only have a Type-C port except for ROG Ally has the HDMI. Anyway, Steam Deck only has a Type-C port. They output video through the Type-C port using display port alt mode using Type-C. Anyway, let's unbox this thing. You can see there. Pretty, basic nondescript little dongle thing. It's made of metal, which is good. And then what else is inside here? We got a little, version 1.1 instruction thingy, USB-C cable, USB-A male and USB-C male, and then we have this QC pass triangle. And that's so now I don't know if we're gonna get 120 hertz. This supports the Nreal Air, the Xreal Air supports up to 120 hertz. I don't think we will get that. I think we'll get 60 hertz 1080p. So there's the PeakDo cable. I need to provide power to this because HDMI does not carry a lot of power. So you need to provide separate power to it. Oh, I might not be able to reach. I think 2.4 amps should be fine. Okay, so now we plug the PeakDo in, right? Theoretically, if I plug my Nreal Air to this PeakDo adapter, sorry, that's my, move this here so you can see. Plug this in here, and then plug my Nreals onto this. I should be able to get a display. Oh, there it is. Let me see. Put in my eyes. Oh, yeah, baby, it works. So, you can see, it was in focus for just a second there. You can see there's a tech inspected wallpaper in my Nreal Airs or my Xreal Airs. Now, let's try and see what is the detected resolution here. Oh, it's lagging. 1080 90 hertz. 1080 90 hertz. Can we do 120? So it will only I will only check. Well, you have to check the. Oh yes, it's 120 hertz. So the PeakDo supports 1080 120 hertz. You're not gonna be able to see it, but let me see if we can get the mouse over that side of the monitor. Did you see the mouse? Yes, it is. There's the mouse. There it is. So yes, the PeakDo works. 120 hertz 1080p because this is 120 hertz 1080p display. AMOLED or OLED in your eye. So there you go. That's PeakDo. Works. PeakDo works. For 1,000 pesos. The link is on the description if you want, if you're in the Philippines. But yeah, it's in Shopee. Hopefully you can get one if there's still stock. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.